Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are diving headfirst into the incredible world of RIMAN KBeauty. You know that luminous, glass skin glow that everyone's talking about? Well, if you've ever wanted to know how to get it, you are in the perfect place. We're going to break it all down.
So, first things first, let's talk philosophy. The whole idea behind KBeauty is not about caking on makeup to cover things up. No. It's all about nurturing your skin, focusing on its actual health, so it just naturally glows. It's kind of like a wellness routine for your face, aiming for a hydrated, radiant canvas. Okay, here's our game plan. We'll start with what RIMAN is all about. Then we'll geek out on the science of their secret ingredient. After that, it's the step-by-step ritual and the products that make it happen. And we'll finish up with something super important, how to make sure you're buying the real deal.
All right, Section 1, the RIMAN KBeauty philosophy. So what's the secret sauce? What makes this brand an absolute powerhouse in the skincare world? Well, it all boils down to how they bring two amazing worlds together.
Look, RIMAN's success is no fluke. We're talking over 20 patents and 50 awards. That doesn't just happen. It's because they have absolutely perfected this blend of age-old beauty wisdom with some seriously cutting-edge science. You really are getting the best of both worlds. So RIMAN is kind of the parent company for three awesome lines. You've got Incelderm, which is the science-first skincare we're focusing on today. Then there's Bodalab for vegan hair and body, and Lifening for that beauty from the inside approach. But for now, we are all about the star of the show, Incelderm. Okay, let's get into the science, because this is where it gets really cool. Every legendary skincare line has a secret weapon, right? Well, for RIMAN, it's an ingredient that is just fascinating.
The hero here is called Giant D Young Bull, or as you might know it, Centella asiatica. And this is not just some random plant. Historically, people called it a miracle elixir of life. And today, we know it for its incredible power to regenerate skin, calm down inflammation, and fight off aging. It's a true powerhouse. But here's the kicker. RIMAN doesn't just use regular old Centella asiatica. Oh no. They have their own patented strain, the Giant B Young Bull, grown only on the pristine Jeju Island. They even did a study with Seoul National University that proved these bigger leaves have way more antioxidant power and have a major impact on wrinkles and dark spots. So yeah, this isn't just an ingredient, it's a supercharged, exclusive version.
Okay, so we've got the philosophy and the science down. Now for the fun part. How do you actually use all this stuff to get that signature glass skin glow? Let's walk through it.
Every single KBeauty routine worth its salt starts with a double cleanse. This is non-negotiable. You start with an oil cleanser to literally melt away makeup and sunscreen. Then you go in with a foam or water-based cleanser, like their Snow Enzyme Cleanser, to get rid of everything else. This process leaves your skin perfectly clean and ready to soak up all the good stuff to come.
And here it is, the absolute heart of the RIMAN ritual. It's a technique they call boo-sa-boo. And sounds a little funny, but it is genius. First, you spray the booster. Then, you put on the serum. And here's the magic trick. You spray the booster again. That second spritz helps to push those amazing serum ingredients deeper into your skin and just locks them in. It's such a simple move, but it makes a world of difference. And finally, the seal. You can't do all that amazing work and then just walk away, right? You've got to lock it all in. You'll use the dermatology cream to deeply moisturize and then, and please do not forget this step in the morning, protect all that hard work with a good sunscreen.
So, now that you know the steps, let's properly introduce the stars of the show, the actual products that make this whole ritual so incredibly effective.
The core of that boo-sa-boo method we just talked about comes in this set, the Dermatology First package. This is your dynamic duo, the booster and the serum all in one.
And just get a load of these numbers. The booster is 88% Giant B Long Pool Leaf Water. The serum is 81%. I mean, that is an absolutely staggering amount of the hero ingredient. It's no wonder this combo is so good at hydrating, smoothing, and protecting your skin. Next up is the product that seals the deal, the one that wraps your skin in a big, nourishing hug at the end, the Dermalogy Cream.
And this cream is just as packed with goodness. It's got 57% pure Giant B Young Pool leaf, which gives you this intense hydration that really strengthens your skin. It helps with firmness, brightness, and, the best part, it sinks right in with a beautiful non-greasy finish. Your skin just feels soft and comfortable, never oily. Okay, I have to take a minute to talk about this next product, because it is the perfect example of the whole KBeauty mindset. We're talking about makeup that's also skincare. This luminous glow cushion gives you this beautiful, buildable coverage, but it's also packed with good-for-you ingredients like niacinamide and our friend Centella asiatica. So while you're wearing it, it's actually helping to improve your skin. How cool is that? Plus, it comes with a refill, which is just fantastic.
All right, let's shift gears to our last section, and honestly, this might be the most important part. These products are super popular, which means, you guessed it, fakes are out there. So how do you make sure you're getting the real thing?
Let's be honest. When you're investing your money in premium skincare, the absolute last thing you want is a fake. Buying from random online sellers means you have no quality guarantee, no returns, and frankly, no idea what you are putting on your face. It's just not worth the risk.
So, the smartest, safest way to buy is from a trusted source, like KBeautyUSA.com. They guarantee that every single item is authentic, complete with a RIMAN authenticity seal. Plus, they've got free shipping on orders over $200. It just gives you total confidence and peace of mind.
And here's a little pro tip for you. When your product arrives, check the box for the serial number and the data matrix code. You can use this to personally verify that your product is 100% legit. It puts the power right in your hands.
And that's our deep dive. We'll leave you with this thought, which really just says it all. Your skincare routine shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a moment you look forward to, a daily ritual of self-care that inspires you. Because with the right products, the results are absolutely radiant. Thanks for hanging out with me today.